trainers here in the Foxwoods Marine Theater with our California sea lions, and this is Clara. Clara is a 7-year-old sea lion, and she was rescued years ago and has been here for the majority of her life. Now, she just gave you an inside scoop on highlighting the very close relationship that we have, right, Peanut? So I work with Clara each and every day, and one of my main focuses is to strengthen our relationship. So she is actually the first animal that I worked with who didn't know anything. So I worked with her when she didn't know any of the behaviors she has. Can we show them some of the behaviors you have? So now she can show off her vocals. She can show you how agile she is. And if you get a close-up, she'll show you how gorgeous she is, right? Good. You're very pretty. Yes.
What the shit are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Mom, he's chasing his tail. What are you doing? Junebug. Ah. What in the living hell? Are you done? I don't think he's done, Mom. He's going in for thirds. Oh my god. Mom, he's even shaking his own tail at himself.
Come on, guys. We had a little jailbreak. Come on. There you go. Get back in there. Goats in the snow. Come on, guys. Yeah. Good job.
Y mira, te tú esto, mira.
Ooh. Yeah, that one hurt.
Hey, Blue, go in the tub. Come on, good job. Nope, go in the tub. Dot, Dot, no, you already did. Dot, Dot, you already did. Get out, Dot. Blue, get in the tub. Good job. All the way. Good boy. Good boy.
Du så så ud. Prøv at se det.
Hej.
Du gør dig til, hva'? Ja, du gør dig til. Ja, du gør dig til. Det var fået tid